I was kind of lucky because I got this offer from Cambridge as a research assistant, and probably one of the world's best research groups in that field that I was really interested in. I had a lot of mixed feelings about going there because on one hand everyone was congratulating me and saying, hey, great job, that's an awesome place to go to. You just worked there for 2 years and you're going to have a tenure track career and this and that. And on the other side, I really didn't want to do it. I was tired of academia. And that's when I got this random email from someone called Roy from Entrepreneur First. And it was like, hey, Danesh, we've heard about you from someone else and we just want to have drinks with you and talk to you a little bit about some ideas. So I met up with these guys and they pitched me the idea of EF. They were like, we'll pay you for 3 months. And this was the key part, you can do whatever you want to do. And it's hard to believe someone is going to give you money and you can do whatever you want to do. But after talking with you, a few other people, I actually realized, no, that's true. And if they like what you do, they'll help you fund a company. And I was, man, this is amazing. So I called the guy in Cambridge. I was like, sorry, I'm not coming anymore. And I joined EF.